ये जॉब ख़त्म हुई है तो सब एक दूसरे के साथ गले मिल के रो रही थी कि अब हम क्या करेंगे, कहाँ जाएंगे। क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा सवाल तो यही है ना कि अब हम क्या करेंगे, कहाँ जाएंगे। क्या करेंगे का मतलब यही है कि काम करने के बाद भी हमारे घर के अखराजात पूरे नहीं होते। जब हम काम ही नहीं करेंगे तो हम खाएंगे कहाँ से। फिर तो फाके ही हैं, या रोज़े रखेंगे या फाके करेंगे।
We estimate that maybe we've lost 700,000 jobs in the past year and a half. So it's not a very happy state of affairs. Some companies may do all right or may do well or may manage to keep their heads above water, but by and large the industry is in a bad shape.
The only way forward is enhancing Pakistan's exports and creating an environment that would be investor friendly, business friendly, and that would incentivize manufacturing and industrial activity in Pakistan. However, on the other hand, our biggest challenge right now are rising energy prices, and while that's been an issue globally since the Russia-Ukraine war broke out, and you saw crude oil prices go up, you saw natural gas prices go totally havoc internationally, and they rose by more than 400-500%